Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So today I'm in a bit of a different setup. We're doing Christmas vibes. Even though this is most likely going to go up after Christmas, I still wanted to film a video with more of a Christmassy vibe. I hope that all of you had a very Merry Christmas despite everything that's going on and having limits and all of that stuff. I still hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and ate lots of food and all of that. So for today's video, I am going to be doing my 3-month Lockiversary, my 3-month Loc update. I can't believe it's already been 3 months. It's gone by pretty fast, to me at least, and we're seeing some changes. Let's just get into my 3-month Loc update. If you haven't already seen my previous video, my how to retighten locks video, you would not know that I did combine 2 locks in the front. So the reason was because I felt like they didn't match up with the rest of my hair, and thinking long term, I kind of just want them all to be as uniform as possible, and also I don't want them to get really thin. So that's what I did. I combined 2 locks, nothing crazy. So I braided about 4 locks. Check out my previous video to see that. You wanna shower? Shower. Okay, let's go shower. Because of all the slippage that I've been experiencing lately, I find that braiding really does help with that slippage issue. So the ones that are in that front area, I had to braid them because braids last longer in my hair texture. Another thing I've noticed is that the individual, like each lock, is becoming more compact and less loose. Let me see if I can show you. I still have lots of frizz, but I need to get a good one. So like, it's becoming a bit more dense. This one, it's a bit more dense. So that is definitely good. I still have my curly ends, but I don't really see that going away because I had curly ends well into my first lock journey. Like when my locks were fully mature, I still had curly ends, but I think that's just because of my hair type. So yeah, I'm definitely seeing the growth. I'm seeing a lot of growth this 3rd month. As you can see, we're getting, obviously there's tons of shrinkage, but I'm actually wearing a middle part today because I'm seeing the length, so it looks a bit cuter to me. But yeah, we're growing, and I cannot wait to like see my hair like down to here. I feel like that length right here is so cute, but I'm excited about that. So I'm also still bunching and banding. Okay, let's be real. Bunching and banding is annoying. It's definitely annoying, but I would take bunching and banding over detangling my loose natural hair any day, to be honest. Like, I thought I was going to dread bunching and banding more than I actually do. Maybe if I had to braid and band, that would take a bit more time, so maybe I'd dread that more. But to be honest, bunching and banding my hair, it's not that big of a deal to me. Like, I prefer it to detangling my hair, 100%. So I have to play by ear and see how it goes. I'm hoping I can stop bunching and banding by month 6 or like by month 7, but we'll just have to see how the slippage is going. Yeah, I might have to do it for 9 months. I might have to do it for a whole year. Hopefully not a whole year. but maybe up until 9 months, but we'll see. We will see, and of course I will keep you updated on all of that. So let's see if there are any other updates. I will be giving you a 360 of my hair, so stay tuned for that. Another thing that I noticed, and let me know if any of you guys have experienced this with your baby locks, your starter locks, is a lot of not shedding, but for example today, so I slept with a satin scarf, and this morning I just put my head under the water so that I could get it to look like laid down, and then I was detangling because they were kind of stuck together, I guess from the scarf kind of pressing everything and smushing my locks together, but there was just a lot of shedding. So I was like detangling, and there was just a lot of shed hair, and obviously I was too young to remember if that happened with my first lock journey. Let me know if that has happened to you, if you've just experienced a lot of hair just kind of sitting there, like kind of waiting to be detangled and combed through. Let me know if that happened to you, because I was kind of like, should this still be in my lock, or am I good? Like, is there enough frizz already? Anyways, I think it's a good idea to detangle your hair, so I guess it's inevitable to lose some hair that's naturally going to shed, or yeah, that's naturally going to fall out anyways. But let me know in the comments below if that happened to you, because that's something a bit new, and I guess because I'm experiencing a lot more frizz, there's just more loose hair kind of sitting there waiting to be locked, waiting to fall out. I don't really know, but anyways, so that's pretty much it. I completed my second retie a couple of days ago, so, and I washed my hair yesterday, so my scalp is looking pretty good, and I don't know why this lock is sticking out, but yeah, that is what my hair looks like. I'm probably gonna be able to do some styles in my hair really soon, so I'm excited to, I'm just like itching to curl my hair. Honestly, I love the look of curls, and I was gonna do it today for Christmas, but at the same time I was like, I don't want it to look crazy, so maybe I'll do that for New Year's Eve, because we're staying in anyway. Nothing is open. Toronto's back on lockdown. So I think those are all the updates. Nothing too lengthy. I just wanted to quickly talk about my hair at 3 months and wish you all a Merry Christmas, and let's just get into the 360. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.